Welcome. Let's dive into the fun world of Snapchat filters. Today, we'll show you how to add a filter to your existing photos. First, open the Snapchat app. Tap on the ghost icon at the top to access your memories. Next, select the photo you want to edit from your memories. Choose it carefully. Now, tap on the smiley face icon to browse through the filter options. There are so many to choose from. Once you find your desired filter, tap on it to apply it to your photo. Watch the magic happen. Finally, save your photo or share it directly with friends. Let your creativity shine. Ready to unleash your inner artist? Adding filters is a breeze. Experiment with different filters based on your mood or occasion. Each one adds a unique flair. Remember to check for new filters regularly. Snapchat updates frequently with fresh styles. And that's it. Now go ahead and transform your photos into something extraordinary. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. Happy snapping! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to add your creativity with Snapchat filters. See you next time.